Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdik. I am Chimthanawala. We passed through a pandemic state where lot of different type of ways of treatment in treating the coronavirus came up. We were able to fight the virus very successfully. But the most important question arises that what happens after the treatment or what symptoms are left after the treatment of coronavirus treatment. A lot of people have come to us for post corona treatment for depression, for fear, for anxiety, for a lot of lung problems. And homeopathy has a very good answer to it. There was a case who came after post corona treatment who had a lot of anxiety and lot of fear developed because of that. He always felt what will happen, whether I'll go out, I'll suffer from again coronavirus, I'll suffer from cough, cold, coryza. What will happen to me? मेरे को क्या होगा? So he stopped going out. He stopped eating outside food. He, whenever the grocery person comes to his house, used to sanitize and more sanitize, so that the virus does not come inside the house. He became panicky and fearful. He could not step out of the house. He could not do business. He could not do anything except stay in the house and feel that he will get coronavirus. This was the state. इतना वो घबरा गया था कि घर के बाहर जाने को डर लगना, कुछ खाने को डर लगना, सब बार बार हर चीज सैनिटाइज करना, इतना सैनिटाइज करना कि उसके his whole hands had become rough because of too much sanitization. The whole family was in a state of panic because they could not do anything. Whenever anybody used to come home after going out of the house, he used to sanitize that person. He used to tell, take off your clothes outside the house. He had made basically a small restroom outside his house. So first, people used to go there, change their clothes, then come inside, then have a bath, then come to it. So everybody was in a state of panicky state, and that patient came to me for treatment, and we could afford a wonderful cure to him. This is post-corona cases. Very, very important that fear and the panickiness that develops in the patient can and has been successfully treated by me with homeopathy medicines. तो आप भी ऐसा कुछ सफर कर रहे हैं तो आपको जरूर अपने घर के आजू बाजू किसी अच्छे होम्योपैथ डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए टू ट्रीट दिस कंप्लेंट्स. Second disease type that had come to me, that keeps coming to me post corona treatment, is lung problems, fibrosis in the lungs. The lungs get damaged, the patient is unable to breathe, or he is not able to breathe properly. He cannot walk long distance, he gets panting because of walking. मतलब कोरोना के बाद लंग्स में फाइब्रोसिस हो जाना, दूर चल नहीं पाता पेशेंट, सांस फूलती है. जो पहले 1 किलोमीटर आराम चलता था, अभी कुछ स्टेप्स चलने में सांस फूलना शुरू हो जाती है बिकॉज लंग फाइब्रोसिस. और इसका इलाज होम्योपैथी में बहुत अच्छी तरह होता है. इट इज अ वेरी गुड ट्रीटमेंट इन होम्योपैथी एंड आई हैव cured lots of cases in post corona fibrosis where the patient developed fibrosis of lungs and he could not breathe properly. With homeopathic treatment, he was able to breathe and live a happy life as he was before suffering from corona. You can see a wonderful case of lung fibrosis in my YouTube video by the name of Dr. Abdikayam's Grace Healing Homeopathy. Type lung fibrosis and see that the patient was on oxygen 8 hours in a day, sometimes 14 hours in a day. Now there is no oxygen needed. The patient is able to walk, talk, and run in a lady of 60 years of age, more than 60 years of age. We have cured that lady. Now she is able to walk without oxygen with homeopathic treatment. So this is all you will get. There are more diseases. You can get heart infections, lung problem, liver problems. You can get a lot of things, eyes problem post corona. I have discussed 2 things in this video regarding the mental health and regarding the lung fibrosis, which are very, very common in many of cases. So my dear friends, if you suffer from post corona symptoms in the body after getting treatment or being better after corona treatment, still you have some post corona symptoms, you must visit a homeopathy doctor. He will give you good results. This is what I have seen in my practice, and clinically I have observed in my practice with very good results. So कोरोना से घबराइए मत. उसके बाद भी अगर आपको कोई तकलीफ है, do take homeopathy and it will give you very nice results. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do share, subscribe. Thank you.